Everybody asks the same question when something goes wrong with AI. Who is responsible when AI makes a decision?
Most people already think they know the answer. They say, whoever gave the prompt is responsible. If that was the full story, this video would end right now. Because that answer, it sounds obvious. And honestly, it sounds boring.
But here is the problem. In real-world AI systems, there is no single prompt owner.
Let me explain why this question even exists. When we wrote traditional software, decisions were explicit. If a Java program approved a payment, we knew exactly where the logic lived. The code was deterministic.
The responsibility was clear. AI systems change something fundamental. AI does not execute logic. It generates outputs. Those outputs feel like decisions, even though they are just probabilities.
And because they feel intelligent, people start asking the wrong question. They ask, did the AI decide? That question is already a mistake.
Let's address the tempting answers first. Some say the AI vendor is responsible. But that would be like blaming Oracle for every Java bug. The vendor provides capability, not intent.
Others say the model is responsible. But models have no agency. They don't choose where they are used, and they don't decide what happens to their output. Then comes the most common answer. The person who issued the prompt is responsible.
That sounds reasonable until you look at how real systems actually work. In production, prompts are rarely written by decision makers. They are written by engineers, often junior engineers. Sometimes they are generated dynamically by other agents.
The workflow is designed by an architect. The automation level is approved by a manager. The business risk? That's accepted by leadership. By the time an AI output triggers an action, no human may have seen the final prompt at all.
So, who issued the prompt? In real AI systems, the prompt is an implementation detail, not a decision.
This is where most discussions go wrong. They focus on who asked the question, instead of asking who allowed the answer to matter.
And that brings us to the concept most teams are missing, the decision boundary.
A decision boundary is the moment an AI output is allowed to cause an irreversible, real-world effect. Money moves.
Access is granted or denied. A customer is notified. A human is evaluated. Before that point, the AI is thinking. After that point, the system is acting.
Responsibility lives at that boundary, not at the prompt, not at the model, at the boundary. Every AI system has these boundaries, whether they are designed or not.
There is an automation boundary, a confidence boundary, an impact boundary. Most AI failures are not model failures, they are boundary failures.
The system worked exactly as designed. The problem is that nobody explicitly owned the decision boundary. Responsibility belongs to whoever designed and approved that boundary.
Whoever decided that an AI output could trigger an action, whoever removed human review, that person may never write a prompt. They may never touch code, but they own the decision.
AI does not remove responsibility. It concentrates it. Engineers build capability. Architects design boundaries. Leaders accept consequences.
If your system makes a decision and you cannot name the human who owns the boundary, your system is unsafe.
That's not an AI problem. That's a leadership problem.
and AI is simply exposing it.